Hi, Darlene here from Darlene's Garden and Home. I have a video for you today. I know it's been several days, but here we go. Ready, set, go. My Echeveria, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's looking rather sad. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to repot it. It's in with several other plants. So I'm going to take it out and put it in this little pot so it has its own little pot. So here goes. I'm going to take a spoon and dig it out. And yeah, it's just looking sad. Interestingly enough, when I stuck this spoon down in there, it's like, whoa, it felt like there was nothing under there. And it's falling apart. The plant is sicker than I thought it was. It looked bad, but it's worse than I thought. And it's got leaves falling off. I'll sit it on top of here and then do a little bit of maintenance with it. I'm going to pluck off all of the bad leaves, which ends up actually being more bad than good. And see, some of them don't look too bad. I'm putting the leaves that came off, but they look fairly decent in a pile. And as you'll see, I'm going to try to propagate, because the way you propagate this plant is by leaf cuttings. So hopefully what I'm doing works and I end up, well, hopefully I can save this plant, but hopefully I have more. Even if just one or two of the leaf cuttings take, I'll be satisfied. But you can see how it was just in bad shape. So the main root that was in the center is still there. And I'm going to take the leaves that are in good shape, that don't look like they're trying to rot out. I'm going to just kind of stick them down in the dirt and hope that they acquire some roots. We'll see what happens. I didn't put them down too far. I think some people just kind of lay them on top and then put a little bit of soil over the end. I don't know. I'm kind of playing this by ear. So I have, see how that one is just all mushy at the bottom. The ones that were that way, they all got put in the garbage. So this is the plant where this all came out of, and you can see I did several leaf cuttings there. The main rootstock is here, and a couple of, did 2 or 3 leaf cuttings in this one too. So we'll see what happens. It's an experiment. I'm sad that that plant was trying to die. But here's my plant on the coffee table. And while I've got you on the video, I was going to show you my lemon tree. This is a Meyer lemon. I went in and clipped off some of the branches that were dry to give it a little bit of I guess a prune. Here's my amaryllis that are growing stalks up again. This leaf stalks, I don't think I'll get more flowers. This is a piece of petrified wood. I thought it would look pretty on the coffee table by the plants. Well, it felt good to get my fingers in the dirt a little bit. Did a little bit of maintenance on those plants, the succulents. And then I showed you my other plants over by the window. I have other plant maintenance I should be doing. I'll get to it. Not today, but one of these days, and I'll bring you along when I do. So I hope your new year is proving to be a wonderful one. Ours has been very cold. A couple nights ago, it got down to -14. And then the last couple of days, we've been running in between +4 and 6. I think it was 8 this morning when I looked at it. Cold, real cold. And we've got a layer of snow. The sun's out, so hopefully it'll be melting some of it off, but layers, I think we probably had it snowed a couple different times, 2 or 3 different times, so I think about 3 inches maybe. By some standards, that's not much, but it covered everything up. And it makes a winter wonderland and a little bit of a driving hazard. So until my next video, grab tight to God's hand. He will hold yours tight and won't let go. Let His warmth and love and blessings just permeate you, your whole being. And I will see you on the next video. Take care.